Hey, I'm Elle Rottinghouse with Zips. Today I get to talk about Snatch blocks and their characteristics to help you make an informed purchase based on your rigging and recovery needs. Whether working towing and recovery, overhead chain operations, or another mechanical related field, Snatch blocks are an essential tool because they provide a necessary pivot point, which can change the angle and direction of a pull or be used to increase the load capacity of a winch and a winch line. As a line is passed through the sheave of a snatch block to the source of the line, leverage is achieved as it will reduce the speed of the movement of the load by 50%, which will roughly double the power or lifting capacity the winch produces. The same condition reduces the load on the winch line, as what one line was subjected to originally is now cut in half because there are two lines in use. Snatch blocks are compatible with both synthetic and wire rope. There's a variety of styles, but essentially, it's a heavy-duty pulley fixed between two metal casings. Like most of the tools and equipment in this field, there's a mandatory rating tag that displays the load capacities. Always pay attention to these and calculate the resistance and strategy of your pull to avoid unintended damage. Snatch blocks come with a variety of attachments, each serving its own purpose. The most common attachments include a swivel hook with latch, a swivel shackle, or a chain end with a grab hook. So you'll need to make a selection based on the type of application and equipment being used. Also take into consideration the different pulley sizes available and their working load limits. The diameter of the wire rope must be matched with the appropriate size snatch block. Use a block that is rated for the weight and resistance of the load you will be lifting or pulling. One must also take into account the cable and winch capacity before lifting a load. If the limiting factor is not the snatch block, but the winch or winch line capacity, an additional snatch block may allow you to meet winch and cable capacities. Of course, not all snatch blocks are the same, but with many styles, there's a release pin that holds two side plates together over the pulley. This allows the cable to be inserted or removed. Be sure to replace the cotter key after threading the line or cable inside to prevent the block from opening. It's recommended to apply grease to the center shift pin on a weekly basis and always inspect the snatch block for damage before and after using. During operation, be sure to stand clear just in case anything were to fail. You always want to be aware and prevent personal injury. When purchasing a snatch block, the most important things you will need to know are the line size you will be using and the needed load capacity of the block, as well as the type of attachment point you need, of which there are several. Among them are a swivel hook, a shackle, or a tail chain, etc. The Skookum brand snatch block is made with a custom high-strength alloy, specifically designed for increased strength and durability with lightweight in mind. This is an example with a latched, forged swivel hook. This is a Ramsey winch snatch block, an inexpensive design typically used in recreational rather than industrial situations. Slide open one of the sides, place your cable, close it up, and use a shackle to hold it closed while you winch. This is Zips snatch block with chain and grab hook. Tow operators often use it to help change the direction of a pull. The swivel shackle and 30 inches of chain provide versatility. Zips snatch block with a swivel hook is high quality with low cost. Available in 7 sizes and capacities, this is the most common style of block sold. Shop for these products and more at zips.com under Rigging and Recovery Supply.